Ever wondered why traditional farming methods might not be the most efficient way to grow your food? Well, let's take a moment to explore that. Traditional farming, for all its merits, often comes with a host of challenges. For starters, it requires vast expanses of land, a resource that is rapidly dwindling as our world population continues to swell. Then there's the issue of water, a precious commodity that traditional farming tends to consume in copious amounts. And let's not forget the constant battle against pests and diseases, a struggle that can often feel like an uphill task. Furthermore, traditional farming methods can lead to soil degradation and loss of biodiversity, bringing up the pressing need for a more sustainable approach. An approach that not only respects the earth, but also optimizes our resources. So, what could be the answer to these challenges? What if we could farm upwards instead of outwards? Enter the vertical tower planting method. Picture this, a tower of greenery reaching up to the sky, making efficient use of space, water and nutrients. This is the concept of vertical tower planting, a revolutionary way to farm that offers a stark contrast to traditional farming methods. In traditional farming, crops spread out horizontally over vast tracts of land. But vertical tower planting turns this approach on its side. Rather than sprawling out, plants grow upwards in a tower, taking up a fraction of the space. This is a game changer in urban or space-limited settings, but the benefits don't stop at space efficiency. Vertical towers also use water more conservatively, since each level provides a natural drip irrigation system for the one below it. And because plants are off the ground, pests and diseases are easy to manage. The vertical tower method turns the challenges of traditional farming on their head, quite literally. Vertical tower planting seems like the perfect solution, doesn't it? But like all things, it comes with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. On the plus side, these towers can indeed lead to an increased yield. They're stacked high, allowing for more plants per square foot than traditional farming. Moreover, they're quite efficient with water usage, with some systems reusing water multiple times. And let's not forget the reduced risk of pests, with plants being off the ground and harder for creepy crawlies to reach. However, it's not all sunshine and roses. Setting up a vertical tower planting system can be a bit costly up front. Also, it requires a specialized knowledge to manage efficiently. And then there's the reliance on electricity for some systems, which can pose challenges in case of power outages. Despite some challenges, the benefits of vertical tower planting can outweigh the negatives, especially in the context of permaculture farming. Now you might be wondering, how does this fit into my permaculture farm? Well, it's a question of design, diversity and maximization of space. Vertical tower planting can be seamlessly incorporated into permaculture designs, enhancing biodiversity, which is the heart of permaculture. Imagine this. A single vertical tower bustling with a variety of crops, herbs, vegetables, even fruits, all thriving within their own micro-ecosystem, stacked up one on top of the other. It's not only a celebration of diversity, but also a smart use of vertical space, something that traditional farming often overlooks. Integration doesn't stop there. Vertical towers can be designed into existing structures like fences or walls, making them not only functional but also visually appealing. Think of it as growing your food in a living, breathing green skyscraper. With careful planning and design, vertical tower planting can become a valuable addition to any permaculture farm, making your green thumb greener than ever.